how to fix Monster Hunter Wilds fatal error. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to show you the best working troubleshooting step for you to bypass this kind of issue on Monster Hunter Wilds. So the very first thing is to pull up your Steam and make sure that you're logged in. Now at the upper left, just simply click on Steam and choose on Settings. From Settings, at your left side again, go into Downloads. From Downloads, scroll down, and then you're going to have to execute Clear Download Cache. Once you've done this, relaunch the game and it will automatically be re-updated. And then once the update is complete, here's what you need to do next. Go into your library, look for the Monster Hunter Wilds game. Say for example this one. Go into properties, and then under launcher option, what's set is default here is usually dash DX11. And what you want to have to do that is just to add this. It's gonna be space dash force dash D3D11. Copy this and paste it here before you launch the game. And that's it. That is how you fixed Monster Hunter Wilds fatal error.